All right. All right. Today we're taking a break from Tater Fest. I know what you're all thinking. Don't worry, we'll get back to it. This week will be the last video of that. But for today, I know everybody's got like Christmas parties and New Year's Eve parties planned and everything. So today I figured I'd give everybody a really simple, quick, and fun hors d'oeuvre to make for the party. So let's give that a try.
We're just gonna wing it?
Piper, there's a big difference between winging it and seeing what happens. Now let's see what happens.
Before we get started, like always, I want to remind everybody that cooking should be fun and relaxing, so go ahead and grab your relaxing juice. Delightful. For this hors d'oeuvre, you're only going to need 3 ingredients, okay? You need some dates, macadamia nuts, and some cream cheese. That's it. It's the whole thing.
It's so simple.
So, to start off with, you're going to grab your date, you're going to slice it in half. Like so. Doesn't have to be 100% accurate. We're going to dig out this little pit. Throw that away, that's garbage. And my camera's crawling away from me. We're going to cut out all of our pits from these dates. I'm going to speed through this so you don't have to watch me do it, and then we're going to get to the rest of it. Alright, this should be more than enough. Each date should give you about 2, so you're cutting them in half. So, next what we're going to do is we're going to grab some cream cheese, and I like this whipped cream cheese from Aldi. I think there are other brands that do whipped cream cheese, but I really like it because you don't have to wait for it to warm up before it spreads. We're going to take one of these dates, put in as much cream cheese as you like. Take a macadamia nut, pop it right there in the middle, and you're done. That's the whole thing. That takes maybe a minute, all right? And if you want to do the whole thing, I think that's 5 to 10 minutes. But it's wonderful. Hang on.
Then he tastes it. He tastes it and tastes it, then tastes it some more.
It's incredibly satisfying. The dates are nice and sweet. The cream cheese gives you that nice fatty, like, I don't know how to say it. The Japanese call it umami.
Son of a bitch!
And then the macadamia nuts come in there with that nice nutty fatness. And these are salted macadamia nuts, so that salt gives you an extra layer. It's fantastic. And the salt doesn't bother at all. Like, your mom is salty, and I love her. We're going to call these mom's date snacks, because I don't know the real term for them. My wife's boss brought some souvenirs home from, I think it was Taiwan, and it was essentially this, so she decided to recreate them herself. And this is what we got. We tried them with and without cream cheese, and with definitely is better. It's that perfect marriage between sweetness and salty, and it just all comes together perfectly.
That's all I've ever wanted.
It takes less than 5 minutes. It's an easy dish to do with your kids. Make a nice assembly line, cut them open, make the things. You can make them a day ahead. They're almost the perfect hors d'oeuvre in my opinion, as long as people are not allergic to nuts, okay? And I know people are at home going, what a ripoff, this is such a short video. Ugh. Well, we had 2 birthdays this week. First, my daughter turned 1, and then Jesus. So you can just settle down, okay? You'll be all right. We'll do another potato video this week, so stay tuned for that. If you want another snack idea, I'm going to put the link to my Halloween hors d'oeuvre video right here, and I'll put the list to the rest of Dad's videos at the very end of this, all right? So please follow me on Instagram at Dad's Cooking Bear, or X at dads_cooking_. If you want to, there we go. If you want to buy some merch, go to my merch store, buy a t-shirt or something. Kind of cool. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me down below, what are your favorite hors d'oeuvres for Christmas and New Year's? All right. Until next time, I've been Dad. Have a good one. Pit. Throw that away. That's garbage. And my camera's crawling away from me. Hang on.